Hi, my name is Jason Lehman from Sherrill. We've been farming here for 9 years, 200 to 230 cows and 120 acres of alfalfa/new seeding. We've been practicing no-till for about the last 6 years, just on alfalfa ground. We run about 200 acres of corn. We've been using cover crops on all of our corn-on-corn ground, from CORI to, lately the last 3 years, we've been just using oat. I just think it's better to make a healthier plant for the cow, where if you make a healthy plant for the cow is going to be healthy also. From the dairy aspect of everything, this year we're implementing the drone coverage for the oats, and do that before we chop. So when we chop, well, hopefully we get some pretty good growth by the time we even get the corn off the field. We plant it a couple times green, and then we terminate it after we plant it, and last year we terminated before planting, and it just got too thick of a mat on there where we had some sidewall compaction coming through it. Flying the oats out with the drone this fall, I think it's going to be, very cost effective, and we're going to get a better profit out of it.